Hey JMC family, so here we are at the Dentfix booth at the SEMA 2019 with Eric. He's the owner of the company. Now Eric, I personally love your products. I want you to tell me a little bit about the Maxi
Steel dent repair system where you weld a rod to the car body and you pull off of that rod and give it a quick twist and break the weld off, and you can go and weld it again. Very fast and easy with a very light penetration on the panel. There's no burn through to the back, to the rust through protection on the back. We have a squeeze puller that you can weld this through for light massaging action, for finishing action. We have a switch out rod that is a slide hammer rod for light tapping action. This all becomes important with today's vehicles, which are extra thin skinned, and you don't want to use a big heavy stud pin to weld on them anymore because you overheat the metal and then you pull holes into it. This unit here has a leverage puller that you can put onto it and power out the damage, or once it's welded on, take a hammer and finesse out the damage by tapping around. You have the ability to use this tip here to weld on this, which is called wiggle or wave wire. And once this wire is welded onto the vehicle, what you've created are little tabs that come out that these bear claws attach to. And the bear claws move forward and back independently. So the deepest part of the dent is pulled first, and then the shallower ends pull out as it pulls out, so you get a nice even pull. If you're a traditionalist, you can still change out the stud tip, put a stud tip in there and weld stud pins onto the car body for extra strong pulls along rocker panels and what have you. The Maxi, as shown, is a fantastic, fast moving piece of equipment for technicians to get the job done more efficiently and to maximize their pulling potential. The Maxi DF505 is available through JMC Automotive Equipment. Awesome.
Eric, thank you very much. I also want to just briefly talk about these other products. I know they do plastic, aluminum, and steel.
Certainly. So this here is our aluminum capacitor discharge pin welder, where you weld a stud to the auto body, to the aluminum auto body. It's very important with your F-150s today, which have been all aluminized since 2015. This is our basic unit, and it has a good price point. We also sell a larger unit that comes in a larger cabinet that has its own separated set of hand tools that you do need for working with aluminum. This is a lift arc welder, also doing the same type of thing with aluminum, but this welds keys. These are the keys onto the aluminum panel. And these keys can be welded right next to each other for extremely strong pulling on aluminum panels. This unit here and this unit here both serve the same function. These are our heated nitrogen gas welders for melting plastic in a non-oxygen environment so that the plastic doesn't burn, char, or smoke. You're able to fix a bumper very quickly and easily, use the same OEM part on the car, and have it as strong as when it was originally manufactured, because you're using the same type of plastic to melt into it as it was originally made of. So this unit uses a nitrogen gas bottle that sits on the back. And then this unit here is extra special. It has two canisters on the inside that filter out the nitrogen from your compressed air line, so you don't ever have to buy or refill a bottle again. Also available from JMC Equipment.
Well, Eric, thank you very much. I really appreciate that little description of all the products.
Sure.
I guess we'll be seeing each other.
We will.
Thank you very much.
We'll be selling lots of equipment, and maybe we'll see you next year at SEMA 2020.
We'll definitely be back for 2020. Thank you.